Hey guys, it's Lucas channel and I'm back! Sorry for keeping you waiting. I know I haven't been active lately and I know there is no excuse for that. But I have been super busy with work and I don't want to bore you with all the details. So I'm going to talk about this short vacation I had recently in Japan and the stuff I got there. Most of you know that I am a huge Copic fan and I use them in almost all of my videos. One thing about them is that they are quite on the pricey side, but I'm going to let you on a little secret. In Japan, they cost half the price. A Copic sketch, for an example, costs 380 yen excluding tax, which is about $3.60 or €2.90. So I bought all this Copic stuff in Tokyo Hands and they are having 5% discount right now for all items if you hold a foreign passport. So you should definitely check it out if you're in Japan or if you plan to go to Japan. I'll leave you a link in the description below for more details. So these are the stuff that I got. I actually went to two different Tokyo Hands stores because the one in Shibuya didn't have all the colors that I want. So I went to the other store in Shinjuku the next day to get the rest of them. I bought Set E, which includes 36 Copic Ciao markers to complete my Copic Ciao collection. I already have the rest of the colors, so these are the remaining 36. I also got this Copic Premium Bond paper, which I didn't intend to buy at first, but I got it anyway. And last but not least, I got around 100 Copic Various ink refills, and I noticed that one of the refills didn't have the plastic sealing and it kinda leaked, so that's a bummer, but it's still full, so that's okay. I'm going to fast forward the video and I'm going to show you how unsuccessful I am at balancing these refills on the table, but I hope you enjoy anyway.